Hi, this is Amy Hooper with the Instructional Technology team, and I'm here to bring you your Tuesday tech tip for this week. We are launching Immersive Reader to all students today. We want to let you know about this extension and where to find it and how to use it with your students. This is going to be a really great extension for you to use with your English language learners, with your young readers. And so, just to let you know where you will be able to find or get your own extension, you will need to add it to your MacBooks. Is you can go over to um, your colored waffle here over apps. We're going to click there. We're going to open that up, and we're going to click on the web store. For this particular version of Immersive Reader, we're actually going to type in use Immersive Reader. And since I already have it installed, it's down here where it says added. So I know it's already in my extensions. To find your extensions, you want to go up here to your browser, look to the right. These are all my pinned extensions. For other extensions that I don't have pinned here, you can click on the puzzle to the left of your Google account. And that will open up a list, and you can find anything that you have clicked with a pin will be pinned to your list of extensions up here. All right, so let's get into using Immersive Reader. Immersive Reader is going to be used with any website, so anything that you publish to the web. You could even publish, a Google document if you wanted to, and use it with that. But for today, we're just going to take a look at using it with maybe a website that you might have your students reading. It will read it to them. It will translate it. So let's take a look at this tool. So here is my website. I'm going to open up Immersive Reader. It will be this little kind of black and white square. It says read text on this page. And so what you're going to want to do is we're going to go back. As it says, to get started, we're just going to select some text. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to select maybe these couple of paragraphs. When it's highlighted, I'm going to take my mouse and I'm going to double click. So 2 fingers, right click on the mouse pad. I'm going to scroll down to where it says help me read this. So I have a lot of different ones like Google Translate and read text, but we're going to select help me read this for the Immersive Reader. So Immersive Reader is going to take me over here to where it will read out loud to you. Down here is the play button, so you just simply hit play for it to read.
You feel like a child again. Would exercising at 5 a.m. make you a happier person?
We're going to pause that. Next to it is the voice settings, so you can change the voice. You can change it to either male or female. You can also speed up the reading speed and slow it down. Some of the other tools with this, with Immersive Reader, as you saw, I just clicked on photograph. It has a dictionary. It will play the word out loud.
Photograph.
Now you can see down here where it says Russian. I actually have it kind of saved it from my last time of using this. You can translate, and I'll show you just in a minute how you do that to translate it to another language. And then it gives you the picture dictionary. So it'll show you a picture related to the word you're hovering on. Some of the options over here in the upper right, you have text preferences. We can change the size of the font. We can make it smaller. We can make it bigger, maybe for those of you who maybe have some sight impairment. We can increase the amount of spacing. We can turn that off so it's less spacing, turn it on. We can change the font. There's a few choices here. There's themes, and they give you a variety of different colors as well. Next to that is going to be something that I think English teachers are going to love. I know as a prior English teacher myself, I love this feature. So it's going to give you some grammar options. So right now I don't have any of these turned on, but if I wanted to work with parts of speech, I could turn these on and it'll take the words and color code them based on the part of speech that they are. The other thing that we can also do is that we can turn on syllables and we can turn that back off as well. All right, so we're going to turn all those off, and now we're going to get into the translation. So, for students translating into, if you have some English language learners, if you are actually maybe a world language teacher, this might be a feature that you're going to want to use. So, up here is the book, Reading Preferences. We're going to open that up. So a couple things before we get to translate. We have the line, so show how many lines that you want when reading. So we can change it to one, we can change it to a few, and then we can go back to, we can turn that off and just go back to showing all the lines being read. As I pointed out before, we have the picture dictionary turned on, and then we're going to get to translate. So we can translate into lots of different languages. Let's see, for this one, let's go with some Swedish today. You can either do it by the word, so click on one word at a time, or we're going to actually do the document. So we're going to turn the entire document on. That way, we X out of this. What you have now is you have the translated into Swedish, but you can also go back to English here. And so when you're having it read aloud,
Photograph. J. Mickle/Getty Images. While 99% of us are still fast asleep.
we can also go back to the Swedish and have it read in Swedish.
Du känner dig som ett barn igen. Skulle träning klockan 05:00 göra dig till en lycklig...
Again, we still have that dictionary turned on. So I'm just going to go to, we have photo. It'll pop up in the current language that it's in, so Swedish, and then in English. Again, it'll give you the word. You can have it speak the word to you. And then it will also give you that picture dictionary as well. So that's just a little quick tutorial on the new extension that we've just launched and pushed out to all students in the district again. So they should have it, every student should have it up here, either on their extensions bar, you can find up there, or if it's not pinned, you just click on the puzzle piece and it will show them all their extensions here, and they should be able to find Use Immersive Reader if they scroll through their list. So that is our, and here it is right here. So that's our Tuesday tech tip. We're hoping that you guys will see some great benefits to this extension, and we'll start using it soon with your students. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to myself or Melissa Dilling. You can reach us at the email instructional_support@msvl.k12.wa.us. That's our Tuesday tech tip for this week.